Hi guys, Vic here, and in this video we will learn how do we earn points by sharing other people content on our social media accounts. So as you see, before I go to the social exchange, as you see we have 205 points now. And now let me go inside social exchange, and as you see people have already posted some links that they want us to share on Facebook. We just hit share and a pop-up comes, and the pop-up is just asking you to post this to your Facebook account. Okay, so we just hit post, and that's pretty much it. And we have actually earned points for just sharing this on our Facebook account. The page just refreshes after you're done that. And now let's go and check it out on the dashboard. So we had 205 points and we got 20 more points for sharing this to our Facebook account. And that is how you earn points